Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to do a soap call using LoadRunner. So first I'm opening the Vusion. After opening Vusion, I'm creating a new script. In new script I'm selecting the web services here. Yeah, select the web services. So here in this action we can do a soap call. So in the action we need to write a soap call request. So I already designed a simple soap call which will convert the number into words. Okay, so this is a temporary API call, SOAP API call. So this is the method which we need to use to send a SOAP request, and there is a name what I'm giving for my SOAP request. This is the expected response as any SOAP. So if you want to particular path, then we can mention a particular path here to expect that in your response. And this is the URL endpoint where you are sending your request. And this is the SOAP request what we are need to send. Okay, and we are using a snapshot, and I'm saving the result into a param. So we can use this param for future requirements. So if you want to add this in make multiple protocol, then you need to create your script using multi protocol, and you can add the SOAP request, or you can what you can do is like you can go to the global.h and global.h header file, and you can add the required headers as web soap and web underscore API dot h header files, and you can start your SOAP request in HTML web and HTML protocol as well. So this is the request body which we have in the SOAP call, post body basically, and this is the parameter that we need to send for this request. So I have now currently have made hardcoded. So if you want to send this request with parameterization, we can do parameterize by using the parameters and sending the value dynamically. So let's run this request once. Yeah, so I have added the logger of the response. So this is the response what we got. So I have given 100 there. So we got the response of 100 here. So if you open here request, so I'm passing the 100 as a parameter, and we got the 100 inwards. And if you see that logger, so I have added the logger here, LR output message with starting with stars and the printer message. So this is a result is a variable which I have used in my request. So for this request and number conversion, the server is expecting the content type as XML text by XML. So I'm using the content type text by XML. So for more, this is the way we can add the headers to our SOAP call. So web underscore add underscore header. The first parameter will be an header name, and second parameter will be a header value. So for this will add the headers to the below request. So if you want to add any other request like SOAP action or something, so you can copy this. You can copy this and paste it here and change the header name. So SOAP action. SOAP action. So this is how we can add the multiple headers as well. So now if you're not expecting any SOAP action, so I'm disabling it. So not only SOAP action, you can add any kind of headers here. So yeah, now we got the response. So if you want to do multiple SOAP calls, so you can copy paste the SOAP calls, or you can create a multiple actions as per your requirement. Thanks for listening this one.